1 2 1 2. Do-si-do. Found it. Mumbleway tuna. True. And there is a Chaim AMRI present. Yes, sir. I didn't know about that. Yes, you can. We're about to find out. From these honored dead, we take increased devotion to that cause through which they gave their last full measure of devotion. That we highly resolve that the dead shall not have died in vain. We highly resolve that the dead shall not have died in vain. From these honored dead, we take increased devotion. World War I. Virgil, Lawrence, William, Carl, Masaru, William, Bernard, Robert, Keith, Gerald, Charles, John, Christopher, Peter,